Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today I am doing a Savagexfenty lingerie haul and I couldn't be more excited to be teaming up with Savagexfenty. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring my video today. And as you guys know, Savagexfenty is created by Rihanna herself. Savagexfenty's goal is to reinvent the lingerie industry because we all know that before it used to be one size fits all or you have to be looking like a certain way to be beautiful. Savagexfenty is all about empowerment and self-confidence. So with that said, they do carry from sizes extra small to 3X and 32A to 42H. And we all know how annoying and expensive all of these other lingerie brands are, but Savagexfenty made it $50 and under their entire site. Now before I go on to showing you guys all of the beautiful pieces that were sent over to me for this month, I do want to tell you guys that you guys can get this amazing deal, which is 65% off of your first VIP order, and also on top of that, you guys can also enjoy 2 bras or bralettes for only $29. Make sure that you guys click on the link down below in the description box to be able to have access to that deal. This deal will be lasting up until November 30th, which will be on this Monday. So now without further ado, let's get right on into the pieces. This is the first set here. I love this piece right here because it's super comfy. I can go to bed in it. I can wear it under my onesie that I'll show you guys in just a second. So cute. I absolutely love this. Or I can even wear this bralette with some jeans and call it a day. Of course, we cannot forget the Savagexfenty logo right here. And then also we do have the ruching in the back booty part right here. And these are also a little boy short, so they do fit pretty comfortably. Now here are the other pieces. So these are pretty similar to the ones that I just showed you guys, but these are mismatched. This is just a good example of how you're able to mix and match all of the pieces. So the top looks like this. This is a cute little rainbow bralette. I love this band right here, and also the material is super soft, so I love that about them. I really don't have any piece at all by Savagexfenty that is not comfortable. And then we have the little boy shorts right here, and this is what the back looks like. So especially with these pieces that I have on right now, I love to wear them under my onesies, and these onesies here are super comfortable. They are super soft on the inside, and especially since it is getting freezing freaking cold, I adore to wear these. I have this one in light gray as well, and they're addicting. And what I like to do when I have this on is I can either leave it open like this and show off my bralette, or I can zip it up halfway or all the way. And of course it comes with a cute little hood and also has pockets. They are full length, and at the bottom they do cuff. I did apply some pasties under, but just in case, and this is a little bit sheer so you guys can see through it. And then this is what the back looks like. And as for the bottoms, they are a thong. So now moving on to some bodysuits. So this piece here I did try on Instagram. This is such a pretty piece, and I just love how silky it is, how soft it is. All of these pieces are super insanely soft. And then on the back it is like a thong style, so super freaking cute. I love this. It's very like green ivy vibes. Next we have this super pretty red lacy bodysuit, and this one does cut into a V right there on the tummy area, which gives you some nice curve. And the back does have a little strap here, which adds a little bit of flair, and it is also a thong style. So then here we do have another mix and match moment. So this is a blue bralette. I love this color here. It just reminds me of the sky on a nice summer day. And as for the bottoms, this is a thong as well, just lacy, and this color of blue matches this color of blue, so it matches and works at the same time. I love myself a good matching set, but also mixing and matching is super fun too. Then here we have the back, so cute. So again, we do have pasties on, so don't worry about that, but it is mesh, so I did want to show you guys that it of course does have a little bit of a see-through moment, but it's super cute. Then we have this set right here, which is a lacy bralette. Then I also have the matching bottoms, which are a little bit more on the cheeky side instead of a thong, but it is super cute because in the front it does have more of like a different pattern, and the back does match the florally lace to the bralette. So this is the front again. All right, y'all, and then this one is also another one of my favorites just because this cobalt blue is such a beautiful color. And again, this is like a mesh material, so you would need some pasties if you do mind showing a little bit of the nippy action. And then it also does have more of like a Brazilian cut to the back, so I really do like that since it doesn't show too much booty. And then also, if you guys can peep right there in the very center of the bottoms, it does have the cute little gold metal emblem. Conservative, but still super sexy and meshy at the same time. And for this next set, I did just put it over top the set that I just showed you guys. So this is all just completely see-through lace, and it is so pretty. So I like to pair it with this blue set right under. And then here are the bottoms. So these are just some little shorts, and then the sides do flap open like this, so it does give you a little bit of flare to the piece. And for the last two sets, I'm just going to be showing you guys them right here on the diagram, and then I also am going to show them up just because I would put them on, but this one is a lot to show on camera, but it would be definitely so beautiful in private. This one is a pearl set. This is quality right here, and to think that these are under $50 is insane to me. And then it also has a stretchy lace band, which makes it super comfortable. And along with it, you also do have the thong that comes with the pearls, and this one is a little scandalous. So if you guys are looking for something a little like super sexy, this is it, and I love it. It is beautiful. It is art. And then these, I will be inserting the pictures that I posted on Instagram. So here they are. These are beautiful. This is probably one of my favorite sets as well, just because it is red and it is super festive for the holidays. These tights here that say Savage in velvet, absolutely everything. And then also the panties that I wore. So these are what they look like. This is the front and then this is the back. These are a little bit cheeky. And then I also love the strapping in the back, which is such an intricate detail too. So that is pretty much it that I have for today's Savagexfenty haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know that you guys probably enjoyed a try on haul since I haven't done a try on in a minute. And I love showing you guys the new products that are coming in. So look forward to more videos like this, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.